gong. Hot. There. Yeah, the heat soak on this is incredibly fast. It's hot, almost unbearably to the touch, all the way up to here. Alrighty, so I didn't have to do this, but there's something I wanted to point out. Since I'm over here doing some on the bench machine shop work, I busted out my die grinder with the carbide tip, and I ended up, I clamped the old metal gasket to the manifolds, and I kind of port matched the gaskets. It completely unnecessary, and I did not have to do that, but I feel better about my life when I do. Do you see how some of that manifold is not being utilized because there's metal there? Same thing on this one, same thing on this one. But what I did is I clamped these gaskets to the manifolds and then just went in there with the grinder and just kind of chamfered the sides a little bit just to create a smoother stream of airflow. It might make 2 to 5 horsepower, it might make 0, but I feel better about the task at hand having done so. If this were mine, that's what I would have done. So I didn't have to do that. I know it took me an extra 20 minutes, but I'm just in one of those moods today, so that's just how it's gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna port match this second manifold real quick. You see I've got the gasket kind of clamped onto it as a guide. The bolt holes are lined up and I'm using them as a reference, and I'm just gonna chamfer these edges just to make it nice and smooth. That way we get the maximum possible flowage. Loud noises.